What is graphene? Graphene is a one-atom thick layer of carbon atoms arranged in a hexagonal lattice. Graphene is stronger than steel. What are defrictionators? Lubrication exclusive to Magellan International and Daytona1. What is a Z9G Assembly Lube? The engine builder's new best friend. Watch this challenge and make your own decision which product you want to build your engine with. Today, we're testing 3 top-quality assembly lubes. We have designed a test machine and process to replicate a solid cam and lifter and startup of a new engine. The rotating bearing acts as the cam. The stationary bearing acts as the lifter. The weight replicates the spring pressure. The test machine acts as the engine. We are applying the assembly lube liberally to each surface. We are loading the engine, cam, and lifter. Let's start your engine. As you can see the amp gauge increasing rapidly, you can hear the bearing squeal and hear it fail. As you can see, there is lots of assembly lube still on both surfaces. The cam is ruined, and now we have metal shavings in the engine. To make sure every test is the same for each product challenge, we grind and clean the cam between each test and also replace the lifter with a new one each time. Nice and smooth. And now a new lifter. We make sure everything is smooth and clean for each test. Challenge 2. We are applying the assembly lube liberally to each surface. Making sure it's coated all over. We are loading the engine, cam, and lifter. Let's start your engine. You can hear the bearing fail. That is not a pretty sound. Now we have to rebuild the entire engine. We have metal shavings flowing through the engine and do not know what other parts are damaged. As you can see, the lifter is ruined, along with the cam. Challenge 3. Now we are applying the assembly lube liberally to each surface. We are loading the engine, cam, and lifter. Let's start your engine. The lubricant started working on the second or third revolution. but it was too late. You have once again lost a cam at startup, and once again there was still lots of lube left on the cam. And now for the finale. We would like to introduce to you the most amazing graphene-infused defrictionators in the world. To prove that, we are presenting the One Drop Challenge. One drop, yes, one drop, to prove unparalleled protection. We are truly excited to show all you the lubrication of the future. Now let us show you. Now we will place a new surface on the lifter and cam by rotating the bearing and sanding the cam surface. We now have clean surfaces. The Daytona1 Z9G Assembly Lube is being applied. As you see, just one drop is applied to the cam and one drop applied to the lifter. We will distribute the very small amount around the cam surface. Now let us load the engine, cam, and lifter. Let's turn the machine on.
And it's an immediate protection. I mean, we're not talking about you got to run 2 circles or this or that or 2 revolutions. It's absolutely immediate protection.
As you can see and hear, there is no noise and the amps are steady. There is no wear. No wear on the lifter and no wear on the cam. Daytona1 Z9G Lube has taken the One Drop Challenge and has won. For all you engine, transmission, and heavy equipment users, if you need the ultimate in protection, here it is. And this is just the beginning. If you have any areas or mechanical situations you need extended life and protection, please contact us. We would love to work with you.